Over the course of 180 days, you would have earned $180,000 in value by just staking your XRP and your flare. Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another episode of the Reborn 13 podcast with the Genie, and for today's episode I am going to absolutely blow your mind by showing you just how, by utilizing the Flare network, your XRP and your Spark tokens, that you are never essentially going to have to sell them to generate a passive income which is so incredible it will literally blow your mind into a new stratosphere. So what I'm going to do for today's video is give it my absolute best shot to outline to you just how this is possible by utilizing the Flare network as soon as it launches, and showing you that by being an early adopter in this space and by getting into the Flare network as soon as it launches, which may be as close to a couple weeks away, that you will be grabbing hold of the greatest opportunity potentially ever presented to you to generate a passive income whereby you don't even have to sell your XRP or your Spark tokens, because in doing so you will be selling away your potential to earn this passive income, which is going to be so extreme you're not going to believe it's real. So make sure you stick around, because you are not going to want to miss out on this video when I reveal to you just how this is possible and how to get yourself set up from day one to be able to do so. Now for this video I'm going to give a massive shout out to Mickey B Fresh and Patty XRP, because I'm going to be using some of their material to show you just how this is possible. So after this video, make sure you head over to their channel, go and drop them a like on all their videos, subscribe, because they've got so much content on there on the Flare network, and it will be so helpful for you who do not yet fully understand the potential that is in front of you to generate an income without actually selling your XRP. But before we move into this video, my friends, I must say there is absolutely no financial advice. All I'm doing is giving you my perspective and understanding of the Flare network itself, and it is your decision as to your financials that you make after you have seen the content herein. But without further ado, my friends, because I know that you are excited, let's do this. Now really quickly, if you are excited, make sure to smash that like button down below, ready for what's to come, because the Genie puts so much effort into these videos to help you understand just how much potential you have for the future with regards to your finances by simply holding XRP. So let's get into this. Where I want to bring you to first is this video right here by Mickey B Fresh, and it was actually Patty XRP on his channel who made the video, and I want to show you a very short clip of it to give you an idea of how much money you can actually generate through utilizing your XRP and your Spark tokens on the Flare network without even selling them. So listen closely, and then I'm going to explain it to you after, and then we're going to run deeper into how about you go into this process once the Flare network launches.
So we can see this person would earn 156K over that period, same kind of FASIC growth rate as before, but I just kind of want to go over to the rewards pool. Only 10,000 FXRP minted, and if there's 150 million in FASIC value minted, you'd be roughly getting almost 2,000 Spark on the first day.
So was you just listening closely? Now let's run into this a little bit deeper so I can make it clearer for you. If you just stake in the Flare network 10,000 of your Flare and 10,000 of your XRP, you will over the course of 180 days earn 155,000 F assets in return, which can be then exchanged back to the native token of XRP or Flare if you want to. So based upon the value which these assets were when this video was made, XRP was at $1.45 and Flare was at $1. Over the course of 180 days, you would have earned $180,000 in value by just staking your XRP and your Flare by only staking 10,000 of them. Now this is based off of metrics which are purely estimates. That is key to understand, that it is purely an estimate with regards to these numbers here, which will affect this outcome and also affect this price. But that's not to say that these are not conservative and that these estimates are probably pretty likely when it comes to what the network is going to be running at when it first launches. And then if you see right here, so if you begin to stake your XRP and your flare on the first day, you're going to, based upon those estimates, be earning nearly 2,000 flare and XRP in daily rewards, my friends. That is insane, and all you have to do is utilize the flare network correctly to do so. Now, as you can see, this diminishes day by day as more people come into the network and more value is generated into the network. This is why I'm making this video for you now, because it's absolutely key that you set yourself up in this system as soon as possible when the flare network launches, because for every day that you do not set yourself up, you're going to be losing out on potential rewards. And the sooner you set yourself up, the less money there is in the network, the more rewards there are, because the less participants, the more is going to be given to each participant. So where do I want to bring you over to right now? Again, this is another illustration made by Mickey B Fresh himself. So again, make sure you go and check out his channel for this, because this is so well presented. But what I want to do is quickly run you through it again to show you how insane this is going to be for not only your flare but your XRP. So with your Spark tokens that you will receive now, if you was holding XRP on the 12th of the 12th 2020, you will be receiving a 1-to-1 of the amount of XRP you held on that day if you was holding your XRP on an eligible hardware wallet on an eligible exchange. So when the flare network launches, you are going to be receiving a 1-to-1 of your Spark tokens of the amount of XRP that you had in your wallet at that time. Now on the launch, you are only going to receive 15% of the total, but then you will receive around about 3% every month thereafter. So you may only be able to utilize the first 15% on launch. However, what I want to show you here is that with those Spark tokens, okay, you are going to be able to earn flare rewards by delegating your vote in the Flare Time Series Oracle without any risk. Now this is what makes the flare network revolutionary, because you're taking away the risk, because the entire system is built upon the XRP ledger itself. Also, with your Spark tokens, you're going to be able to earn XRP, LTC, BTC and Dodge by staking your flare in the F-Asset collateral system. Now with your XRP, if you utilize your XRP that you currently hold and mint them for your FXRP, by doing so you're going to be earning more flare through daily rewards by just minting them, and you'll also be earning compensation of XRP by delegating your vote in the Flare Time Series Oracle with your XRP. So with both your flare and your XRP, you are going to be earning more flare, more XRP, more flare and more XRP. This is what is mind-blowing, because you're never going to have to sell, my friends, because you're always going to be able to earn yield. So if we bring it back to here, by utilizing your flare that you're going to receive in your airdrop, if you held XRP on the 12th of the 12th 2020 in a legible exchange, and you also stake your XRP for FXRP, you are going to be earning these rewards right here based upon these metrics, and you have the potential with just 10,000 flare and 10,000 XRP to earn $180,000 in the first 180 days that the flare network goes live. Now, as you saw here, if you have 50,000 Flare and 50,000 FXRP, you have the potential to earn nearly $900,000. You understand the size and scale of what the Flare network allows. Now, once regulations come and they allow for the banks and institutions to do this, this number right here will massively diminish. But what it will mean is that the price of XRP and Flare will be driven through the stratosphere, because everyone is going to want to hold on to these assets because of the staking rewards that there are. Therefore, nobody's ever going to want to sell, because why would you sell when all you have to do is stake your XRP and utilize your Flare to make more of them, which will allow you to then make more of them, which will allow you to just generate a passive income without selling. Now, how do you do this? How do you set yourself up? Well, you'll have Bifrost wallet, which is launching in 15 days, whereby you will be able to stake your assets, your XRP and your Spark in the Flare network through this wallet itself. But it doesn't end there, because recently, very recently, we saw that Ledger are now also supporting the Flare network on their Ledger application. You can download the Flare application, but it doesn't end there, my friends, because through the Trustline network, you are then going to be able to bring your FXRP over to here and stake your FXRP in the Probity Vault, which you are going to then generate the Ore stablecoin. If you then decide to loan out your Ore stablecoin, you are then going to receive a TCN token, which is going to allow you to earn yield off of staking your Ore stablecoin through your FXRP, which you are going to be earning more of on the daily through the Flare network. Now, my friends, obviously this is probably still quite complicated for some of you, but the point to understand here is that once you actually become familiar with how to do this and you have it all set up so it's working for you, you are going to be earning a passive income by just holding on to these tokens. So imagine when people actually realize this, no one is going to want to sell their Spark or their XRP, because they are selling the means away to a passive income, which will drive their demand, which will drive the price of the tokens themselves up, which means you only are going to have to earn a smaller portion of these assets to get the same reward, because the price of the assets themselves is going to increase exponentially. So hopefully by now you see that once the Flare network launches, you are not even going to have to sell your XRP. Not that you should be selling them now anyway, but once it launches, you are not going to have to sell them, because you are going to be sending away your means to a passive income. Now, what's also important here is that through this Trustline credit network, if you don't want to loan out your Ore stablecoin, but you want to utilize it instead, you can actually utilize the Trustline credit network to be able to spend your Ore stablecoin, because it is one-to-one backed with USD, as if you was utilizing a credit card. So you will even be able to buy things with your XRP essentially at its root without even selling it, my friends. It is mind-blowing, but I'm going to start wrapping this video up here. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button down below. But my friends, if you would like to see me go even more in depth into this Flare network, how it operates, and also the potential for you to earn a passive income through utilizing the network, then make sure you leave a comment down below telling me that you want to see more videos just like this, because I will be happy to run into this even more. Now, my friends, when it comes to XRP itself, make sure you head over to my channel, and not only whilst you're there, make sure that you subscribe for way more content just like this to come, but you go and check out every single one of my previous videos, because I'm showing you how XRP is going to be the basis of this new financial system, and how every single financial institution, bank and big tech giant is already positioned ready for when this time comes whereby XRP reigns king. If you do want to support the Genie on his journey, then you can head over to my Patreon page and you can support the Reborn 13 platform here, my goals, my dreams for the Reborn 13 platform in the future, and also you can receive a whole load of rewards for doing so. And if you do not know how to simply purchase crypto assets themselves and want to know more about the coming DeFi economy, about smart contracts, about everything there is to know about cryptocurrency and how to be able to trade, store, buy, sell digital assets in the most optimal and safest manner, then you can head over to my website www.reborn13.com. Link will be down in the description below. But also make sure to follow me on Instagram at reborn13 with a 0, follow me on Twitter at reborn13 with a 0, and join my Telegram group Genie Reborn with a 0. Like I said, all links will be down below in the description below for you to be able to do so. But my friends, I'm going to wrap it up there. I hope you have enjoyed this bullish video on XRP, on Spark tokens, and the way that you can utilize the Flare network to be able to generate a passive income, which is so mind-boggling you can't even properly comprehend it right now. But I will be back with way more content just like this to come. I love you all so much for all the support, all the love that you leave on all my videos, all of your likes, all of your comments. Truly, I appreciate every single one of you, and I will be back very soon, so do not go anywhere and keep an eye out. But time to wrap this up.